All right, so if you're using Perplexity AI, but the answers feel kind of basic or not exactly what you want, yeah, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to get way better, more accurate answers step by step. First, quick idea. Most of the time, the problem isn't the AI, it's how the question is asked. Start with this. Be specific. Instead of asking something vague, add details like context, goals, or examples, so the AI knows exactly what you want. Next, give clear instructions. Tell it the format you want, like a list, guide, or step-by-step answer. Don't stop at one question. Ask follow-ups to refine the answer. This is where the real value comes in. Make sure you're using the right mode, like web for real-time info or other modes depending on your need. You can also ask for sources directly, and this helps you get more reliable and detailed answers. If your topic is complex, break it into smaller questions instead of asking everything at once. Once you get an answer, ask it to improve or rewrite. Yeah, you can keep refining until it's exactly what you need. Don't overload your prompt with too many instructions. Keep it clear and focused for better results. So yeah, getting better answers is really about asking better questions. Once you get this right, Perplexity becomes way more powerful. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more smart guides coming soon.